Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to correctly connect your Goat wallet in 2025 step by step and fully working. Let's get started. First, open the application where you want to connect your wallet. Look for the connect wallet option and tap on it. You will now see a list of available wallet options. Choose the one you want to use. For example, Telegram. Once selected, a pop-up will appear requesting connection approval. This pop-up will show key details like your wallet address and the permission the app is asking for. Review everything carefully, then tap to approve the connection, and just like that, your wallet is now successfully connected. Now that you're connected, you can perform actions like receiving airdrops or transferring tokens across the compatible platforms. Let's say there is an upcoming airdrop for Goat coins. Once the drop goes live and coins land in your connected wallet, you can transfer them out or even swap them for other cryptocurrencies like USDT. So that's all for today's video. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Thanks for watching.